In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo in accounting. If you're looking to streamline your financial operations and improve your efficiency, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process of activating Odoo's powerful accounting module, a step that's both straightforward and highly impactful for managing your finances effectively. First things first, let's get started by activating the accounting module in Odoo. Begin by navigating to the Apps section within your Odoo dashboard. Once there, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in Accounting, or alternatively, Invoicing, since Odoo sometimes refers to these functionalities interchangeably. This search will direct you to the right application that we need to install. Now, when you type in your search query, a variety of app options related to accounting or invoicing will be displayed on your screen. What you want to do is locate the one specifically labeled as Accounting. Once you've found it, you'll see an Install button right next to the module name. Go ahead and click on that and wait for the installation process to complete. This can take a few moments, so don't worry if it's not immediate. It's important to note that activating this module is a crucial first step. It unlocks a suite of tools that will allow you to perform various accounting tasks with ease. With its comprehensive features, Odoo's accounting application can handle everything from basic bookkeeping to more complex financial management tasks, helping you keep track of income, expenses, invoices, and even tax computations. After the installation is complete, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The accounting module in Odoo is thoughtfully designed to be user-friendly, but exploring its options and layouts at your own pace might help you gain confidence. Feel free to click around the different tabs and buttons. There's no harm in exploring. By setting your foundation right with the accounting module activated, you're setting your business up for better financial organization. Remember, the key to mastering any software is a balance of exploration and practice. So don't hesitate to dive deeper into the available features once you're comfortable with the basics. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to begin using Odoo for your accounting needs. You've just taken a significant step towards improving how you manage your business finances. Be sure to check out our next videos for more detailed insights on specific features of Odoo that you might find beneficial. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or want to learn more, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help.